There are many products available to choose Sideboard, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best sideboard from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. West Elm Anton Buffet. For a classic sideboard that's as beautiful as it is timeless, look no further than this elegant design from West Elm. Made from sustainably sourced mango wood and stained a versatile mid-tone brown, it doesn't read as mid-century inspired as many of West Elm's other pieces, allowing it to flex seamlessly between decor styles ranging from traditional to boho. 2 solid wood doors on either side bookend a set of drawers in the middle, providing ample room for storing table linens and serveware pieces. Bonus: this sideboard is part of a larger collection, including a dining table, coffee table, and bench, if you want to carry the look seamlessly throughout the rest of your home. Dimensions: 63x 18x 29 inches material, mango wood. Number 2. IKEA FJÄLLBO Sideboard. It's no secret that IKEA is the place to shop for affordable pieces that also check the box for style and functionality. And the iconic Swedish retailer has done it again with their FJÄLLBO sideboard. The steel and wood body is surprisingly sturdy, especially considering the affordable price, and makes a great decor accent in a home that skews modern or industrial. 2 mesh drawers open to reveal a sturdy interior shelf, with an additional pair of drawers providing a spot to stash utensils, candles, and more. The solid pine top is 1.5 feet wide, so you'll have plenty of space to lay out a spread or showcase your extensive ceramic collection. Dimensions: 44x 18.5x 37 inches material, steel, pine wood. Number 3. Arhaus Polanco Sideboard. If luxury is what you're after, you can't go wrong with this stunner from Arhaus. Crafted of oyster-cut ash wood fragments with a hand-applied reactive finish, and accented by a naturally weathered steel base, it's a statement piece that will pull all eyes at your next dinner party or holiday bash. At almost 80 inches long, it has plenty of storage, with 4 cabinets ready to be filled to the brim with entertaining and kitchen goodies. It also has all the bespoke upgrades you'd expect of a luxury piece, including hand-applied finishes and unique variations in each piece that come as a result of its artisan-crafted build and natural materials. We love that this piece also has adjustable shelves and built-in cord management, which means it's versatile and decreases visual clutter no matter what you store inside it. Plus, it will look great just about anywhere you place it, from the center of the kitchen to the side wall of an entertainment room. Number 4. West Elm Mid-Century Buffet. Fans of mid-century modern design will love this piece, which combines hallmark elements of the iconic style like tapered legs and slab front cabinets and doors with tons of storage space. The long and lean profile works great in almost any room, providing an easy spot to put plates, glassware, board games, and more. Style it up with a pile of coffee table books and a piece of art, and you have a standout piece that more than pulls its weight in your home. Dimensions: 58x 19x 30 inches material, eucalyptus wood, engineered hardwood. Number 5. Pottery Barn Haven Buffet and Hutch. Hosts who take their role very seriously will fall head over heels for this Pottery Barn Buffet Hutch combo, which takes its cues from the restaurant industry to become a do-it-all piece in your kitchen or dining room. There's a place for everything within, from dangling Pinot glasses and your wedding china to larger vases and pieces of serveware. The slide-out drawers keep dinner party accessories at the ready, so designing a well-appointed tabletop is only an arm's length away. 2 full panel glass doors keep everything secure and feeling airy, while the all-black finish adds a bit of drama, and a matching buffet provides even more design and storage options. Dimensions: 38x 15x 70 inches material, wood, MDF, glass. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.